Hi, my name is Kiara. My channel name is OhSoKiaraaa. So today we are going to create a salad bar at home. So I got this inspiration from a creator on TikTok. I'll put her over the screen, her name over the screen. And I created mine in the summertime, and it has been working for me when I have the time to create it. Now, I did get a food processor, so I will be cheating a little bit with that, and then we will be hand cutting some stuff. So this is my do-it-yourself salad bar. And then it has these containers in it. And in this container, you can fit about 8 of these cups. So I'll provide some information down below so you can get some ideas of, some proteins or vegetables to include in your salad bar. The container has handles on it, so you can take it with you if you need to. You can stack these on top of each other in the drawer. I work from home, so it is easy for me to just come in here, take everything out, easily make my salad, and go back to work. Please watch the full video. I will be dropping a special announcement and all the rules to that. And let's go ahead and make our salad bar. It shouldn't take us long. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I had a mistake happen. So I recorded me making the tuna salad. I just want to tell you what I put in it real quick. So I did put some yellow mustard in here and some mayo, black pepper, and then some pink Himalayan salt. And I had some onions, peppers, and some celery. But yeah, just a mistake, and I deleted it. Learning my new camera, I'm sorry. But yeah, basically tuna salad. Make it your way, and then I put it in a container. So we'll continue. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please comment below, comment, like, and subscribe. So as promised, I did have a special announcement. I am doing a giveaway. We are currently at, let's check, 1,333 subscribers. So I wanted to do a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. Here are the rules to the giveaway. And you will win a gift card. I will only contact you through Instagram. So here are the rules. So basically down below, let me know one thing you hope to achieve this year, and then put your Instagram in it. Also, you must follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and then follow me also on TikTok. So I'll also have that down there pinned in the comments what you need to do. In my next video, I will announce the winner, and then I will contact you only through Instagram. I will not contact you through email or any other thing, or YouTube or anything else. I will contact you through Instagram. So again, let me know one thing you hope to achieve this year. Put your Instagram at the end of that, and then follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on TikTok as well. Okay, I hope to see you all next time, and bye-bye.